In this video, I'd like to show you how to do one-way Anova. So firstly, let's take a look at the study. So in this study, we have 30 subjects. So we want to test whether different types of the exercise can affect their body weight loss plan. So we have exercise 1, 2, 3. So represent cardio, strength training, and yoga represent respectively. Okay, so we collect their body weight at the baseline level and also their body height. So also we have to measure their body weight after the training for a certain time period. So then of course the difference of these two would be the body weight loss, right? So now first thing, let's take a look at the SPSS. So assuming we input the data, okay, so we can see different exercise and the body weight baseline and after. So and also their body height. So for this one, in order to determine the body weight loss, so basically that equals the body weight before and after, right? So here I'd like to show you the simple calculation for the using the SPSS. So what we can do is transform compute variable. So because we want to see the body weight loss, right? So basically that equals body weight baseline minus body weight after, right? So now we can give them a new column called the body weight loss, right? So for example, put over here. So now, okay. So you can see we are able to get all these numbers. So here we go. So, okay. Now, because there are three groups, right? So we are not able to use a t-test. So therefore we can use a lower. So here is compare mean and the proportion, one way or lower. So the factor, of course, we want to determine the differences among the different types of exercise, right? One, two, three, right? So basically exercise will be the factor. And the body weight loss is our dependent variable, right? So for this one, let's take a look what happens. So here we go. So this is the Anova results for this one. Then we need to look at the p-value over here. So over here is 0.004, right? So this tells us there are significant differences among the different exercises types, right? But however, we don't know which two had the really significant has a significant differences, right? So maybe 1 to 2 and 1 2 to 3 and a 3 to 1. So we don't know which pair really have the significance, right? So what we can do is to do the post hoc. So compare mean and the proportion, one way or lower. So in this one, we just click the post hoc. So usually we use a Befani, so this is the most common one. But of course, you can use the others. So that's they are just serve different purposes. Okay. So for this one, you can continue and okay. So here we go. So now we can see an additional table, right? So over here. So basically, you can compare like cardio with strength training. You can see cardio definitely has a significant difference to the strength training, right? But the cardio and the yoga, you can see the P is much more greater than the 0.05, right? So that means there's no significant difference between the cardio and the yoga. And also we can compare the strength training versus the cardio. Again, there are the significant differences, right? But strength with yoga, that's 0.054. So that means there's no significant differences, right? Because it's greater than 0.05. And the yoga and again for this one is same, right? Because yoga and the cardio, no difference, but yoga and the strength, same thing over here, right? So basically this is just a repeat, okay? So this we call so this one is one way or lower. This is a post hoc. So basically it's a multiple comparison between any two groups.